Hi you guys, I want to show you a Pleasureway. This is a Rekon, and this is a 2022. And this is Pleasureway's first kind of go at a four-wheel drive, really rugged unit. And Pleasureway is known for their, really well-made units. They've got a great reputation. This one has a 5-year warranty, and it's just beautiful. There's a lot of features in it that I really like. They kind of copied a lot of the things that the Revel did. So let's look inside and see some of the really nice features that I like. Okay, as we're coming in here, a lot of times people think, okay, where's the fridge? Well, this is your fridge and freezer. So what you're going to do on this one is basically we are going to use this as, it is a chest freezer. It is able to go out, put it on a picnic table. You can take it anywhere, really. You can put it in your car, your truck. It's great. It's very durable. The top part is the fridge and the bottom part is the freezer. So when you're out, let's say you want to go to the lake and your unit is in the sun, and this is going to be, hot inside here. So you have the ability with your phone, your device, you can, through Bluetooth, you can adjust the temperature of your freezer and fridge just with your phone. So I think that's a really nice feature that they gave you this to be able to, have a way to be able to maintain your temperature of your freezer and cooler. Okay, and then the induction cooktop is down below in this drawer. I'll open this up and show you. So it's down in here. It fits really nicely in there. I like the drawers. They just kind of slowly shut. And then you put your induction cooktop here, or you can take it to a picnic table. You can cook outside. So they just make it real versatile. In this unit, you do not have a closet. So, and the refrigerator is here. So this is your sink area. So this is kind of gives you a little bit of prep space right here. You've got a nice cutting board here, rotating sink, which is really helpful. So this would be another little prep station besides right here. And then if you don't have, a lot of storage space out here, that's okay, because you just look inside the bathroom, and just like the Revel, you've got these utility shelves. When you're not using the bathroom, it just becomes a closet. And then, so in the front here, you have a little shelf that's going to pull out, and you can use that with this chair. You rotate it around, and you can just, use that as a little station, a little workstation. You also have a table underneath there, which can be used for both of these seats. Both of these will swivel around, and then you can use that. The table, it's like a Lagun swivel table that will sit right here. And here's your bar right here, and that's where the table is stored. So this is a Mercedes chassis, very nice features all throughout here. Leather seats, leather-like seats. They're not actually leather. And then this is where this unit really comes alive, because it's like a toy hauler. You can put a motorcycle in here. You could put your kayaks in here. You could put your boat, your bike. Well, not a boat maybe, but you could put all kinds of things. Like I could think of this as, just think all of this is utilized by whatever toy that you want to take along. So these are your beds, okay? So they're going to be up in this position when you're traveling or when you have it loaded with your gear, and then they come down, and they're really comfortable. They really are. So, and you have AC, you've got these mesh little things to have all kinds of, your gear stuffed around here. So, and then I want to show you the back. Well, first I want to show you right here. These little tabs are easier to pull with your thumb, I have found. This is going to be where your extra water is stored. There is a water pump, so it's going to come out of the faucet, but this is where water is stored, which makes it really, really nice. And then this is where you have a little bit of storage under here. It's nice. And then this is where your lithium battery is stored. So you've got tons of lithium in here. So what I wanted to mention is they actually gave you a really good step with this unit. So if you are loading big gear inside here, this makes it really easy just to like access, to go inside. It's actually a really very secure step. You also do have the ability to pull something if you had a small trailer behind you, and this is a Mercedes, so you're going to be able to pull around 5,000 pounds, and you have the 7-way pin plug there. And let's come around on this side too. What I do like about this is your propane is going to be on the outside of the unit, all enclosed and safe in here, which is a really nice feature. A lot of people like to have that ability. And then you do have an outside shower on this side, which makes it nice to hose off your shoes if you're muddy and your dog before you go inside. And then this is your cassette toilet. So a lot of people like the cassette toilets just because you don't have to mess with hoses or anything. You just pull your little baggage to your dump station. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please call Mary at Junction City Bishes and we can talk about this Rekon. Thanks.